Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place where you're watching me from. I want to say thanks to Almighty God for this good life and for giving me another chance to live, another chance to breathe. I appreciate your love and support, and much thanks to all subscribers. For the returning subscribers, be blessed all. It's morning here and we are putting on an amazing smile because we appreciate the gift of life of today. So guys, today is a new day, and it's another saga also, or it's another episode of this beautiful platform, Taskgroup. It's another platform of another great words. So I greeted them there. Taskgroup is another way of appreciating or giving thanks. So today I'm coming from this area. I want to go to grandma, and I'm appreciating one of our subscribers from Malawi. Thank you so much. May Almighty God bless you. By the name, let me see, eyeglasses, something like eyeglasses. I'm giving you this special shout out because you are really amazing. Let me check. Really amazing for your love and support. And today I'm putting on another smile. Let me check, guys. Let me check. The glasses are 100% eco-friendly. Let me check. Who is this? It's called AC Opticals. So the AC Opticals sent me the other day an email. It's called Axel Glasses. Axel Hatbelen Glasses from Malawi. Thank you so much. I appreciate. I received your gift and your early Christmas gifts, guys. If you wanna wish to send Claude Joseph an early Christmas gift, I really appreciate. But I'm not here to say, hey, please, no. I just like, if you wish, like sending Claude Joseph a Christmas gift, or if you wanna talk to Claude Joseph, you wanna advise him, you wanna book his Airbnbs, you wanna know the tips of traveling, you want to know how to book an aeroplane, you want to know how to book hotels, there's an email down below at the description point, and also my direct number. You can call me on WhatsApp and we can talk and we can converse and we can appreciate and by advising each and every person. So Axel Glasses, all opticals, surprised my grandma on the other way around, and they said I want to buy grandma some yogurt, juice, and I want to say maybe milk, and maybe the remaining change I want to give it to grandma for her early Christmas. So today I'm going to come from this place on this other end, in which every day you see this amazing place. Guys, sometimes we experience poor electricity because of these things, that we are appreciating the gift of life, so we cannot complain of the other way around. So I'll be heading from this point. I'll be going with Minhawi and another guest of mine who stays in our Airbnb around here. Wanna go fast. Today is just like, I'm not quite sure what's happening. I'm having something in my mind that is disturbing me, guys, and this thing you have also to be associated, like you have to be in, because I was at home the other day when I was called, hey, come. But when I reached there, my grandma was so emotional. Thank you so much for those who reached out by appreciating and saying how to stay with grannies, how to do with grannies. I appreciate what happened. On the other way around, there's this thing that we say, staying with grandma is a blessing, and it's all blessings. Actually, I accept it. It's blessings in another way. So I found another brother. I don't know if he's my brother or what, but guys, let me know in the comment section. We are going there home from this point. This way goes to home if I use my route 11, like stepping 1 2 1 2 in a hi guys. Yeah, in 1 2 of the other route we are heading in the route 11. If I step by step, I'll be heading home just near here. But if I use another way around this other side, using the main road, using a motorbike, it's quite also very easy. This is an institution called Moi Girls, Moi Nyabohansi. This is the green maize or corn. So let me not put the long story. Let me cut the long story short. So from here, a plan is to go to the border, go do some little shopping. From the border to my home, guys. This is the institution is called Moi Girls. This one over here, it's a school actually. If you want to be coming, so it's a very huge institution on the other side up to this end. We used to come here and pick our stuffs from this side. You see, wow, it's a very big institution, a very big school. So when we were young, I'll give you a story, but let me finish this story, then I'll tell you a story when we were young. On this other end, from home, I'll come to go to Migori to block my ATMs because I lost my ATMs, I lost my ID, I lost a lot of stuffs in my card holders, in which I blocked 2. There have remained 4 of them, in which I'm going to block also in Migori, the ATMs, because somebody can pick and do some online shopping and I'll go off broke. And remember guys, we are resuming into traveling for a short time, maybe a half a month. In January we are starting traveling officially, guys. Please be prepared by saying, oh, be prepared by watching, by having new experiences of the other side. I was saving on land, and also I was saving to do some finish my construction of my bulletproof house, in which it's almost done, in which I'm gonna go home. I'll share with you what's going on around. So there are three things, main things which are disturbing Claude's mind: land, construction, and traveling. Land, construction, traveling. So I prioritized on land. I've saved almost a half. And also I saved on traveling, in which in January I want to repeat also maybe 1 or 2 countries, then come back home to break the monotony of being in the village too long, because I'm a traveler, and sometimes you guys, sometimes others say, if this guy is not traveling, I'm not watching him. I want to break that monotony of like, hey, this guy has gone also on traveling, because I want to resume on traveling, in which guys prepare by new experiences of true lens, behind the lens or true lens that I'll be sharing with you. But with this, man, I don't know, this time round, man, it's Almighty God's grace. Wow, look at this plant. Ooh. This used to be the richest neighbor, trust me. Used to be the richest neighbor, really rich. Also here used to be at school. It's called the Church's Junior. Oh, man, things change, man. Things change. So inside here, it was the first tall skyscraper that used to be here. Let's see. Oh man, maybe I should use this route. Yeah, you see this guy. You know, my dad used to work here. As a watchman, as a soldier, as a watchman. And the only chance for us to get in is through my dad. So he used to come and guard here. Man, when I tell you a story where Claude Joseph has come from, man, it's totally like, you know, I usually don't like to speak my past, but when I stand here, nobody knows where I came from. When my dad used to be a guard, a watchman, man, that's how he used to raise us. At night he could guide here, morning. But I'm appreciating the effort of my dad, and always he keeps me moving. You know, when I see how he used to struggle for us, school fees, he educated each and every person in our family, in which other families to educate even one kid used to be a very hectic issue. But there's this where my dad struggled. He sold all the animals. In the compound. He nearly sold land. But we said no. But things went on well. Yes. Mabere. Leo niko kwako.
So today Claude is lost.
No, I'm not lost. This is our home.
Oh, you're going to your place?
No, I'm going to my place now. Yeah. So introduce yourself.
So welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
I'm Advertise again here.
Yes.
Today I'm surprised seeing you.
I was like, let me just go around.
Yeah.
Before I got on my motorbike. Yeah. Because home is just there. You see home?
Yeah.
There's home. We cross by to this area.
Yeah.
Actually, tell people like we are all neighbors here, but they don't realize.
It's a matter of trees and
trees and hills and stones.
Yeah, so.
Yes, guys. This is
also I'm going to your stones there.
Oh, to my stones there. Yeah. Oh, so I'm going to Sirari. Yeah. I'm going to do a little shopping. Yeah. Then go back home. Yeah. So maybe if you are in the stones, just drop by home.
Yeah, I'll drop.
I'll be there.
Sure, I'll drop.
All right, so, come there. We do some 1, 2, 3.
So
yes, introduce yourself for the
next I'm introducing. I'm Abera Musa.
Yes.
Also have a YouTube channel. Yes. Welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
Go and support Claude Joseph.
Yes.
Go and support me also.
Yes.
We are working hard now. The party is over. So
absolutely. So we have to move inside here.
Yeah, we must struggle to make content every day.
Absolutely.
So I was making my content here.
Oh, right now.
Yeah. So I must start from home.
Yeah.
And I walk to
the stones.
Yeah. So
all right, brother.
So have a good
time. All right, me, I'm going this way. I'm trying to remind myself. Yeah. You know, my dad used to guide here. Yeah. And also from here, and then from here he migrated to this area.
You know, dad is a best friend of mine.
Oh.
I have his number. When he told me, if you have any problem, just call me.
Oh.
I'll be available.
For sure. Yeah. He used to guide here, and also he went here also. Yeah. So let me go around as I show people. Yeah. Then go take my motorbike direct to Sirari. Okay, all right, Mabere. Okay. Guys, subscribe to Mabere Musa.
Yeah.
All right.
Be great.
All right. So guys, that's how everything has been, and things has been so cool, so amazingly. So I was giving you a story how my dad used to struggle, like guarding in the morning up to then, even night, cold, darkness. Even at time we used to I used to fear to ask him, Dad, how have your night been? Because you just asking a watchman like usiku wako umekuwa aje, like how was your night? So also this was the boss. You see, there's some skyscrapers, another one here. So this one, so my dad used to guide here as a gatekeeper. So sometimes I could just greet him a normal greetings, come on, or my native language greeting. Then the other ones could be like a tough question for me. Could I ask him, how was your night? You know that situation. So, but I thank God for this gift of life. Even me, I can employ 1 or 2. And I told him now to have that relaxing, because for now he doesn't work. I told him now Dad, you can rest. I can be giving you a small token for that you can be moving around with the other guys of your age, so that you cannot struggle that much. And also my mom used to do what we call like local brew. This local brew, man, I know you understand what you call like local brew. I was once a victim of it. So this, guys, this is a finger millet. Wow, it's the entire area, and this area is well known for the finger millet. This hill, it used to be a very nice hill that produces best finger millet on the other side. So I remember my first money that I received in when I used to work in what we call like maybe I should trespass, not going on the other side. Let me trespass in these trees. So I go pick my motorbike and move. I used to work here as a handman. I used to work as a handman. So there's this situation that I raised money, and the only business I could think is to produce local brew. Like I ferment it and then produce local brew. 1 5 liter goes to 1,000 by that time. So I was like, if I produce 5 or 6 liters, no, 5 liters, that is 30 liters of local brew, I have 6,000 Kenyan shillings. There's a time I was almost ending up in jail. You know, I was almost ending up in jail. There's a good houses here. But who is God? I finished school, and I was the rich guy who is becoming rich through alcohol. So that's how the struggles was. But I thank God for whom I am today. I appreciate Almighty God. So that was a short story. So let's go back. That used to be when I used to be young. This is the school. There's a school over here called Reverend David Dubeskog. Some days I wanna take you there. Remind me, I wanna take you there, and we wanna go there and study with you guys. Maybe have that experience of one-on-one with the situation of my school. So there's this one burning question that I wanna go home and see what's going on around. Man, I'm surprised. There's something tormenting me. Animals look alike. Sometimes cows look alike, and also people look alike. But there's this one question, tricky question, that is disturbing my head, and I think also is going to be a tricky question for my dad and for the entire family. Guys, are you ready for this? Wait until we are at home. These are the rich neighbors around. Very rich neighbors. My home is there. The Airbnbs. So if you fear, you can just see how other people live around here, which means there's no theft. We also have some kales here. Very nice. Best kales, sukuma wheat. Very famous one, sukuma wiki. We call them sukuma wiki or kales. Kales, sukuma wiki, yeah. One of the best, greatest veggies. So let me go pick me in Hawi, and then we wanna rush home in the town, then from the town back home, from home back to Migori, and we wanna see. There's a case in my head, a very tough question I have to go and ask my dad or anybody around there, because yesterday it was like I was interrogating something, and I was like, maybe I should find the truth, but before I find the truth, I'll have also see what's going on around. Yeah, so let me head on the other end, and we wanna see what's going on around. So there's some stuffs here. Wow, the green lush. People are playing music. So you see another gate. Also on the other side, on the other end, things goes on well on the other great areas. Yeah, so guys, I'm with main Howie, and also why are you scaring the camera? Come say hi. She's distancing herself. She's like she want to go back. Hi, what's up?
Hi.
Yes.
I'm good.
Hey, Jesus Christ. You're on a camera and you are saying hi, I'm good. And you are a content creator.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Carol.
Yes.
Thank you so much for supporting
Dr.
Claude.
William, why are you passing far away? You can say hi.
You can.
When you see a camera and you pass very far away. Why?
So guys,
Yes.
yesterday I was with you
Yes.
in this channel.
Yes.
I told you I was not feeling well.
Yes.
But at least today, as you
Yes.
can see,
Yes.
I'm happy,
Yes.
I'm jovial,
Yes.
I'm getting better.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You can check me out as Carol_Mike.
Yes.
And I will appreciate your support.
Oh, yes, absolutely. And also,
Wonderful. Hi guys.
Yes.
Thank you for hosting me on your channel.
Yes.
The Williams Family Vlogs TV here.
Absolutely.
Happy to be here.
Yes.
If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and check it out. Would
Subscribe.
appreciate it.
Yes.
And like, share, and comment.
For sure, guys. Subscribe, like, share, and leave us with comments.
Check Dr. Williams out.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Dr. Williams family.
We're here.
Thank you. Mister,
Thanks.
you're also far away. Come say hi, man. Just say hi.
Hello CJ's family, this is Royal Kim, and the Kim is KHWM. Thank you bro for the chance. You guys can also support me at Royal Kim.
Yes.
Road to 4,000 subscribers.
Thank you so much. Hi.
Hey, what's up people? Welcome
Yes.
to Nya Bollywood. Man,
Yeah.
you can see within 5 minutes how many YouTubers are here.
Absolutely.
So guys, my name is Only Mawira, Mawira. Go there, subscribe, support man. Your boy, the Clay boy man.
Yes.
Yeah, happy. Thank you for having me here on the channel.
Yes.
And thank you guys for hosting us, man. We came here as strangers, as visitors, now you're family, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
God bless you, man.
Yeah, Kim, how is life after the party now?
And to be honest,
Yes.
for me, because I had already prepared myself psychologically
Yes.
as a member of here,
Yes.
as much as I'm going to be traveling, you know that,
Yes.
it's all good, man. I feel good. I feel free now.
Yes.
I feel like now my mind is opening. I want to be more creative, bro.
Oh, for
as,
sure.
as much as it will be hard,
Yes.
I'll give it my best.
Oh, for
Yeah,
sure.
man.
You should include Kim on Nyumba Kumi meetings.
Oh, Nyumba Kumi meetings. All right, guys. All right, let me go home and we'll see how everything is, guys. Let's together as a family. Let's see. So let us head on the other side. We see what's going on around. Home sweet home, a very tough question for my dad, and also it's heavy on my head, like what's happening, because my head have never been this, so I'm confused actually. I'm not quite sure what's happening in my head. Maybe I'm having a brother from another side, I don't know. Let me go check. So soon we start traveling, guys, very soon. Next year actually, next year very soon we start traveling for a short time to break the boredom or the monotony of being in the village for long, and we'll go around and we will see how life has been. I told you there are 3 things in mind now: the savings for the land, savings for construction, and all in all savings for the work. That is savings for traveling. Those are the most craziest things in my mind. They usually say mambo ni matatu. Mambo ni matatu. So with me 3, mambo ni matatu is land, construction, traveling. Yeah. LCT. Yeah, absolute. Next year, guys. So I'm really in need, because now we see there's what we call like traveling. You have to do 1, 2, 3. Land, you have to save. Construction, you have to save. And we wanna see what's going on around on the other end. So we are heading in town. We do some little shopping, then we come back home. Alright. We'll see what's going on around. Okay. So we are in town. Guys. And this is Sirar. It's every day's update about this time. Like now you see it's very quiet. No huge commotion. But on a Saturday and Tuesday, Friday, a lot of huge commotion, a lot of people on this other end, you know, due to the market day. Some days we want to go to Tanzania for shopping, and we want to see the different commodities of other stuffs. Alright. So guys, we are here for grandma. We want to that, or we want to eat. It's easy. So it was what we call yogurt.
Yogurt is on the other side. It's yogurt and what?
It was yogurt juice, and maybe we should buy her Libena.
Ribena?
Yeah, Ribena. Because this other juice, and she's diabetic. It's not okay.
Oh, she's diabetic?
So it's Ribena, and because what I was told here is to buy grandma juice, juice, yogurt. Yeah, so the juice will be maybe Ribena. Yeah, let's go on this other end. Mambo. Nitapata Ribena hapa kweli? Exactly. Ndo hivyo. So we have Ribena, and this is how it goes. This one, we picked this for granny, because now Manu is not around. Yeah.
But then again,
yes.
Or you could have bought this one for diluting?
Yeah, for diluting, I don't know if it would be best for her.
Okay.
Because she won't know how to dilute. Sometimes
okay, she know the measurements.
Yeah. We take Lucozade again?
Yeah, take Lucozade.
Yeah, for
Ribena. I think you should take two.
Okay, and this one?
Yeah.
Different variety. Flavors.
Yeah. Maybe add one more Lucozade.
Okay, one more. Lucozade, no. Let's add Ribena. Alright, Lucozade, yeah. Energy, to give her energy. And then what else? Yogurt. We have another one around here. Let's see. Bread.
Flakes bread.
She loves bread. No, she likes. She loves. She loves bread. So we are taking fermented milk.
Is it fermented?
Yeah.
How
You
many?
just
Two?
put it here, and then add there's which one is non-sugar.
See, this one has no sugar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the best. This is what I like.
Take 2 for her. And then
Also yogurt.
yogurt. Okay, take the one which is not much sugar. Alright guys, and then we will end here and we go back in the village. Now I'm heading home to go experience another crazy story of my grandma. Hey, you know now grandma is crazy on the other side, guys. She wants a wife to stay with. She wants a wife to stay with at home. So she keeps on pressuring Claude. A wife. Every single day you're bringing me here girls. Different girls. So let's go home again, we see what's going on around. Absolutely. Guys, I came to the police station and I found my stuffs here. I'm so much happy, but now the problem is I did what we call like I got them and my mind was like, you just go. I found them after a whole week. But the problem is they went with the money.
Why you
But I
shouldn't
found
put
all
your
my
ID?
cards. No, my ID is just license. So I found my ID, guys.
Did you? I did replace the
I haven't replaced this
and they sent the KCB
and this. But the other ones, the KCB, I just blocked them because this is where money are ventured.
one? Yeah.
Yeah, so all my stuffs, I found them.
And the money?
The money, they went with it.
Oh, okay.
So this is my card holder, guys. This is my card holder. And it
it's,
went.
It's torn and old. You
But
need to
they
change.
tore it.
You need to change it even though it's
Oh man,
expensive.
all my
But I'm
ATMs,
happy
guys.
for you got them.
All my ATMs, all my ATM cards. But I'm so much happy now. I'm glad I'm here. You were shocked. Why is this guy stopping at the police station?
Yeah, no, I knew you were checking them, but then
Yes.
I didn't know you get them. I thought like it was a wrap.
But now
But
I'm
at
happy.
least-
I'm happy. South Africa, here we come, guys.
South Africa?
Yeah, South Africa.
Huh?
I think we have to go to South Africa
Yeah.
some days. But I'm planning to go there. But I'm happy. I found them again.
Okay.
I'm so much happy, guys.
All right.
I'll go check on them if they're working again because this guy maybe tried them so much on the other side, but I'm not quite sure. So put them in the mill.
Okay.
Yeah, and we can see, guys. Okay, let's head home.
Okay.
It's blessings every single day. Yeah. All right, guys. Guys, look at Minhawi. She's holding me. And you wanna fall down? Guys, I'm so much excited. Even I think I dreamt this morning. Oh no. In the village, I'm so much happy. This morning I was like, I'm kind of happy because even by the starting of the video I went around trying to tell people how my dad used to work as a watchman to raise funds to take us to school together for us, and I was so happy. So I think that's what maybe drove them, and they were like, hey, let's take these things to the police station. Now I'm happy, guys. Things are great. Amazing and great. So we are heading home. Home sweet home.
Yeah.
Hauogopi hata kushikilia kamera? Chapa kale katoto kanapanda juu ya tofali, wameniangusha kaiba chandarua huko. Still wanapanda kwa tofali wapasua. Wanaona kachapa viboko. They stole my nini over there, and now they are looking at the nini, the
My
bricks,
nini
the
over
bricks.
there. And now they're looking at the nini. What's
Yeah.
that? you
My
say?
bricks. They stole something over there. Let's go check. Oh my God.
Boom.
Arrived. We just landed.
We just landed, guys.
Yeah. And everything has been so cool and amazing. Hot seat. Guys, hey. Guys, I was on the motorbike. Howie? So you just left those stuff to fall down? Oh my god. So guys, let me check. You know, when I'm at home, nobody just come to check on these bricks over here. And I'm seeing some kids playing on top of the bricks. And these bricks... Kuja uniambie ulikuwa kimbia juu. Kwa nini ulikuwa kimbia juu ya tofali? Nani? Mbona mnakimbia juu ya tofali hapa juu? Anaenda wapi? Mbona anapasulia tofali hapa juu? Nitawachapa viboko. Na tofali. Tutakosana vibaya sana na nyinyi sasa. Chandarua ilipotea hapa juzi tutena mnapanda juu ya tofali kupasua tofali mtoto. Hapana, huo mchezo sitaki huo mchezo kabisa. Amuone ni tofali ziko hapa. So guys, I'm kind of confused, you know. The other time there was a cover over here. It got stolen. Now they are coming up on the bricks to break the bricks. You know. I gave Burundian travelers some 2,000 bricks from this point to go and start construction, even a toilet from here. And the remaining one, once I buy land, I can also use them to construct a toilet at first, or a well, or a borehole, or anything that will come first in my land, you know. But at first of all, because my brother Burundian traveler bought land before me, as a congratulatory thing, I had to give him 2,000 bricks from this point. 2,000 bricks. So I'm waiting for him to pick. Once he starts constructing, he can pick them, 2,000 of them for free. And also, when I'll get my land, I'll also start with the remaining one. I'll buy, and when I buy land, I'll start constructing. So I'm home, and sometimes when you're far away from home, you come and you find your stuff aren't okay. So I'm sorry guys if you heard me in a harsh voice. It's because I have to tell them in a harsh way so that they can understand, you know. I found my dad. Stop baga nini hii? Stafari baga atiri bara temana na chakui hayo. So this is my dad. He's doing some maize shelling.
Yes.
You good?
I'm good.
When niko na kesi na wewe.
When?
I have a very big case with you.
Today?
Now. Yeah. You finish maize shelling. A very, very big issue, guys. Of course, I'm kind of surprised here. I'm very, very... Hey, grandma took you to... Mepea bibi mzigo wake.
Mzigo wake uko hapa, hajajua kuna mzigo. Bado namwangalia tu. Sasa najuaje? Bado si hatujakupea, sinangoja.
Just look in the village. We have to move this. And guys, there is a surprise that I'm going to tell you guys. Howie? My dad is confused because I've told him he's on the hot seat. He's like,
oh my god, why?
Why? Hey, introduce yourself. This is your very first time in my home.
Yes.
And my grandma has subjected you to work.
But I'm used to this because we do this a lot in our village.
Yes.
So it's not a big deal.
Yes.
Yeah.
In my grandma, like most of grandparents, they don't have what we call like visiting. If they find them in work, you have to subject you to work.
Hey, Toto, Sherry.
Alright guys, maybe I have to give to grandma her gifts. Then I can put dad on hot seat. Yeah. Guys, so we have a gift here for grandma. Baby. Haidoma ile molale. Haidoma niwapikile ngaso. Haidoma ile molale. Haidoma niwapikile nadi. Haidoma ile molale. Haidoma uyuite wapikile ngaso. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma mwana wapikile nadi. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma mwana wito wapikile ngaso. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma haya. It's juicy fruits. Kuna mtu kutoka Malawi anaishi Marekani, Uingereza. alisema nikununulie matunda ya Christmas. Bibi, she's fearing the knife. She feared the knife. Look. So alisema nikununulie matunda kwa wingi, yani juisi kwa wingi. Juisi ziko hapa na mkate na maziwa yako ya ugali
Na yogurt.
Sasa hii weke hapo, huna friji lakini utakuwa unakunywa polepole, sawa?
Utakunywa polepole.
Mwambie asante basi.
Nashukuru sana. Aje nyumbani hata sijamuona na nashukuru sana. Anakaa vizuri sana. Mungu amuelekee njia safi sana aje nyumbani.
Guys, he's saying she's saying my Almighty God bless you, and because she haven't seen you, she's praying one day you come to Africa and she can say hi to you, she can see you and bless you abundantly. Haya bibi, na change iliyobaki. Change ilibaki ndio hii bibi.
4, 5, 6, 7. 700.
Change ilibaki ni hii, amesema unatumia polepole. Haya bibi.
Mungu iko. Kumbe kuongea na watu vizuri ni kitu kizuri sana. Nafurahi sana kwa roho yangu. Sana. Huyu Mungu amweke salama. Na nilimwambia afike nyumbani, anakataa.
Atafika.
Asante sana.
Yes, she's saying may Almighty God, she's appreciating and saying talking to people is nice. All right guys, so thank you so much. See Opticals, be blessed and Almighty God bless. Guys, I arrived home and there's some crazy situation that I'm seeing here. Guys, you know my dad, I have to ask him some, though there will be a tough questions for me, but will my mom accept this, honestly speaking, because I'm not quite sure what's going on around. Hey Mzee, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good? You alright?
Right.
You're great. Hey, why are you laughing? Yeah? You know me, I'm serious.
I'm alive.
Yeah, you are alive. Mbona huko niambia eti kuna ndugu mbali sana? From other side. Mbona mimi nakuja nashtuka, bo. Namna gani?
Kwema. Hauna shida.
Una shida. Hey bro, come introduce yourself. I'm having a lookalike. A lookalike brother, guys. Hey, what's up?
This is your brother from another country.
Yes.
Yeah, even me, I'm wondering.
Yeah, you are wondering. Come this side because the sun is nice here. Come on this other end.
On this other end.
Yes. Mzee kuja karibu. Yes. And you introduce yourself now and you'll be told. Guys, look, even putting on similar style, I was like, ha!
We are looking the same.
Mzee, why didn't you tell us this?
Nini? Unaweza ongea nini?
Mbona
tunafanana?
Si ndio maana naambia.
Nilienda come help us here. Come help us this.
Even mouth, even magogos, even caras. Mimi ni mtu ninatembea nje.
Come help us this, Howie. Come tell us.
Why are you looking similar?
You should be in the middle, Mzee, you tell us.
Ama mama ndio alienda mbali.
Atujui.
Jana wangu alienda
How you please?
Alienda ngambo.
How you help us this?
Yeah.
Why is it that my dad never told me this? That I'm having a twin brother. And he has been hiding me for this. Tell us.
Why are you hiding?
Huyu kijana ni wangu na huyu ni wangu, ni twins.
But me, I've never known to have a twin brother.
Twins.
These are twins. Where did you get him? How did he go to Rwanda? How did you get him?
Mbona alienda Rwanda, mimi nikabaki Kenya?
Sababu kipindi nilikuwa huko nikipigana vita vya nani? Ya Idi Amin. Na Rais Kambarage. Nilipitia Rwanda. Kumbe ameulizia na amekuja kwangu.
So guys, I came all the way from Rwanda to find my twin brother.
I'm so surprised. Introduce yourself.
Hello guys, welcome back to CJ's channel. My name is Joel Mugisha from Rwanda. Mugisha is M-U-G-I.
Do you observing the hands? The speaking. It's like Claude Joseph.
My goodness.
Yes. Actually, guys, they sound the same, they talk the same, it's weird and they look alike. So we are thinking, Dad kona kona.
Dad kona kona.
Dad unaenda kupika kona kona.
Dad nilio kona kona.
Ni maisha. Ndio maana yamekuwa matamu. Wanasanyana wanakuja watu.
So introduce yourself once more. You know, I'm confused. I'm like, you know, the other time, people told me like, we saw you someplace, and I knew very well it wasn't me.
Oh.
But I know very well, like maybe there's somebody, because they used to confuse between me and the Mogeni.
Oh.
Now the other time, they're telling me that we saw you in Mauro place, and they told me I wasn't in Mauro the other day. But they told me we saw you. So introduce yourself.
Hello guys. Yes. Introducing myself once more.
Yes.
My name is Joel Mugisha. Mugisha is M-U-G-I-S-H-A. I came all the way from Rwanda, and I found my twin brother here. Yes, Mzee is telling us that one long time ago he did some things right there in Rwanda.
John Mugisha, Gisiri Thomas.
Why not Claude again? So it's John, Joel, Mugisha, Claude, Thomas.
Gisiri.
Hey, Buddha. Babushka.
So Joel,
yes.
How do you find it having now a family over here? Like traveling and you come and find a brother looking alike. What's that feeling that you have?
Wow, bro. Actually, it's been amazing.
But do you feel like you look alike?
Do you feel like that?
Yeah, actually we do.
You know me, I came from...
it's not only the glasses or the facial, even the hairstyle.
The hairstyle. Yeah, look at them.
Not only the facial, even I was surprised putting on this shirt. Came home, I found it similar.
We are looking actually everything alike.
Guys, don't confuse. But me, I'm so confused. Even I was like, is this... Because I had some calls, people telling me, hey, Claude, we saw you home. We saw you somewhere. I was like, not me. So, you know, even now, people usually come here and they think you are the one, you are Claude here.
Oh.
So they told me we came and you were in and we called you, we saw you on the other side, but you never responded.
Answered,
And I was like, who is me? So I had to come. Yesterday I came. My grandma was so emotional. So I was like, apana, I have to come this morning. But I'm so much happy,
but actually,
guys.
was it yesterday? I was brushing here. Some people were passing. They were calling me. They were calling me by your name and greeting me.
And we were like,
I was like, but now they are speaking Korea. But I only had your name, so I couldn't understand.
You couldn't understand. The other day also, I met a neighbor over there. He told me, bro, I called you the other day and you never responded. You just looked at me and you never responded. I told him, I'm not here. So, hey, there's a lot of confusion in the village,
a lot of confusion, guys.
Mzee,
long lost things.
Tell us the truth. Tell us the truth. Tell me the truth, Mzee.
Ni sure, nasema ukweli.
Have you ever been to Rwanda?
Have you ever been?
Rwanda. Niliwaambia wakati nilisunguka huko niliacha huyo. Sasa ndio ameingia nyumbani. Ama uongo?
According to your conclusion, come this side. According to your conclusion, what do you think about this now? What can you be judging?
I mean, I think honestly, you resemble each other, but you are not identical.
Not identical.
You're not identical. You resemble each other, but you're not identical. Yeah, but then so you could pass for brothers, for sure, because of like your accessories, your how you laugh. Also, your teeth also look almost the same. You have the same kind of almost the same dental formula. And also how you dress right now.
They are dressed the same.
The same, and even the sweatpants. They are So Dad, even if you went to Rwanda, you said during Idi Amin's time, that was in the 70s.
But now we are here, you are the 90s.
78. They were not to, so how long did you stay in Rwanda? Dad,
Dad is on hot seat today. But he's sweating.
You've forgotten.
Let's make my dad a boss.
Nilivuka Rwanda, nilipita mto Kagera.
And it's true actually.
You know mto Kagera. Nilisunguka kule.
We have a very famous river in Rwanda called Kagera.
Actually, so you have to tell us. No. So that is true actually. Sasa mzee, how do you feel unasikiaje kuwa na sisi kuunite pamoja, kuwa pamoja like?
Nasikia life. Nasikia raha sana. Napenda watoto mpendane. Isilete mambo ya corruption. Na mkae pamoja, muonane kama ndugu na dada.
Yeah.
Sawa.
Absolutely. Now we are here. We have my brother Burundian traveler. I'm having my brother Joel. I'm having Minhawi here as a big sister. And the good thing is with my dad. He's welcoming. Thank you so much, Dad, for having a good heart and being kind to others and being kind to people.
And welcoming.
Me, I'm so welcoming. And you know, the good thing is me actually take my dad's heart. No greed. You cannot come home and start telling you, asking maybe for money or telling you this, maybe feeling bad. He takes you like your own child, you know. That's one thing I love about my dad. And I'm praying God to give you more life so that you can witness the success of your children. And maybe one day also you want to walk on the car. You want to change your life. Some days you want to have a surprise for my dad. Maybe take him out even. He can. Yes. Na maneno ya mwisho mzee.
Na ukaribisha tumalize hii mwaka, tukae na amani, tushike mwaka ujao. Tukae pamoja, tusherehekee sherehe ya Christmas. After tukimaliza hiyo, tuendelee na mambo ya January. Tuendelee kutafuta maisha ya kutafutia watoto waende karo, waende shule.
Absolutely. Guys, me, you know, yesterday I was on a motorbike, but my mind was like, wait. But okay, guys, maybe let's see how my mom accept this.
Let me take an opportunity to say thank you to Claude Joseph's family. Actually, when I was coming here to Marwa's party, I took a risk. I didn't have a host. But through meeting Burundian traveler, I also have met Claude Joseph's family. And coincidentally, I found a brother.
Absolutely.
I found my brother here. So I want to say thank you to Dad. Thank you to Dad for you've been hosting me for the time that I've been here. Actually, they have been so kind. I've been amazed actually because of the way they are concerned. Have you eaten breakfast? Have you eaten lunch? Like they are good people, very good people.
Thank you so much.
I'm so grateful to be here. I'm honored, and I was just there's another day. I think it was yesterday. I was just trying to meditate on the journey coming from Nairobi to here without knowing where to go. I remember in the bus I just told God, I'm going after my dream, God. Just make something happen. And indeed God made something happen something wonderful. You know, you can be hosted, but hosted by bad people.
Absolutely.
But I got an amazing family here. And I'm very grateful.
I'm so surprised, man. Like, you know, if you have a good heart, also God will hand you to good heart.
That's
absolutely. So guys, me, I'm urging you guys, for those all who are watching here, please subscribe to Joel Mugisha. And
Joel
actually
_Mugisha.
right _Mugisha.
So
Joel
guys,
somebody to pin his link down below, and we'll hold a hand for him until he get monetized when he's here. As much as you are here, brother, like me, I'm so much happy. Feel free to do anything. Feel free to move around. Feel free to collaborate with other people. Feel free to ask, even to do videos with my dad, with grandma, with everybody around. They're so they're content friendly actually. If you don't realize that. My dad, my mom, though that English corner them a little bit, but the good thing is they can try their best to speak English. So long as you're having genuine questions to them, they'll help you to do some more content creation. I'm here for now, like work is little because I'm running errands here and there. We'll do more videos and more vlogs. Some last words then, brother.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you again to Burundian Traveler also because he connected me to your family, Claude Joseph. And also kindly guys, check me out on Joel Mugisha. Mugisha is M-U-G-I-S-H-A.
Absolutely. Guys, do you notice the hands movement, the gestures? I'm surprised. Mzee, maneno ya mwisho. Kabla to end video.
Maisha yangu ndio naito maisha matamu lakini mafupi. Napenda mpendane. Mimi Kenya nataka ni amani. live
Yes.
Mimi kwa majina yao nayowaambia ndio nimetafutia kuzunguka mpaka Burundi, Rwanda, mpaka nimekuja nimerudi Kenya. Kaja kuanzia maisha yenu. Napenda mpendane tu.
Yes.
Msiwe na chuki yoyote.
Can you translate it for us?
Okay, he's saying like let's
Yes.
love each other.
Yes.
Like through love, that's why he has traveled to all those countries, and all those countries that he went to,
Yes.
he was loved, and like he also showed love back.
Absolutely.
So he's like pushing for love and unity so that we grow together.
Absolutely. Yeah. All right, guys, your last now. Give yourself
Okay,
a
guys, I'm so grateful. Like it's very rare to get someone like you normally around the village that you look alike other than your relative.
For sure.
But you being here is also very important because at least you get to keep our families in your
Yes.
company in absentia of the siblings or the kids here. You are also adding value in a way. You see now grandma was very happy you helping her out there because
The sharing of maize,
yeah, she was happy to. She's just normally happy to have people around, and you being here, we don't take it for granted. It also adds value to their family, and also I hope that we build friendships that can last longer than this village or can grow longer than where we've come from. And I would really want to wish you all the best in your journey on YouTube.
Yes.
And also Claude Joseph, thank you so much for hosting all of us. It's Burundi and Joel Mugisha now, me here. Like we are so grateful for Dad also for allowing us to be here. We don't take it for granted, even if sometimes we feel like we're taking advantage. We don't forget how far or how much you've helped us and supported us. Thank you so much, guys. Check me out. My name is Min Howie. Subscribe to my channel as well.
Yeah, now we are Mogendi the Dreamer. Subscribe. We have Claude Joseph. We have Manu Cloud. We have Joel Mugisha. We have Min Howie. We have Burundian Traveler. And soon I saw my elder brother is kind of interested in YouTube.
I think so.
Yeah, Jacob, right? He's kind of interested. Sometimes I used to point a camera this way. It could be the war. It could be a war zone. But nowadays, of inspiration and motivation of what goods we are doing here. Now he's like, can we some days? So please guys, thank you so much. I want to share with you the maize shelling, how we are shelling as we gave some stories. Then we want to end the video. All right guys, thank you so much. Thank you brother. And thank you Mzee for allowing us. Thank you.
All right.
Bibi, now you know the loneliness is far away now from us. Bibi, nguo ni nzuri. You know this house, this cloth I used to act with it.
When you're in high school? High school?
After high school, this used to be the art of acting. So I've kept
So it is a prop?
It's a prop,
Okay.
Actually. Bibi, every time. Nowadays we have grown thin. He's so comfortable. He's so upset. Why, Bibi? My he just gone.
Iko wapi?
Yeah, imeisha.
Ona mimi vyangu.
Yako iko. Yako ni kubwa. So umezeeka ngozi mesaga. Mimi yangu iko fine. Iko fine. Mimi sitaki ninenepe bibi. My body I want it to be this way.
Sasa ninenepe uenda wapi?
Si wewe unataka
mimi nikanenepa nienda wapi?
Si wewe unaniambia ninenepe.
Utumbo. Uwe na utumbo kama jako.
You know, the most funniest thing with my grandma, he knows that somebody who is
When you have a stomach,
you must have a stomach.
like you have a belly.
Even if the other side body is not sign.
Ndo mzuri. Sasa kama hivi.
Mimi nataka 6 packs bibi.
Hapana, uwe namna hiyo sasa nakaa.
Nakaa.
Yes. The man got you father. Nyo. Sasa wewe tumbo naingia ndani. Kwani zamani ulikuwa unataka kuwa na tumbo, siku hizi
tumbo nilikataa bibi, tumbo sio nzuri.
Uli.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Unakula kitu kidogo, tumbo inakuja. Ule nyingi, kitu kinakuja. Unywa mchuzi, iwe sawa. Ukule mandazi, iko sawa. Ukule juisi, iko sawa. Sasa wewe,
tumbo hakuna.
Guys,
this was one of the craziest things. Why is it that my grandma is complaining about that? He usually knows that a person who is healthy is the one who has a stomach. A big stomach. What do you think about that?
I think it's because it shows maybe that they are eating.
Yes.
You know, when you are skinny, there is an impression that you are not eating.
Yes.
And when you are at least you have a big stomach, people might think that you are eating actually. But per doctors say they might tell you that the one with a fat stomach is not healthy.
Yes.
Yeah. So it might be that.
know.
Yeah.
What do you think about it, Minha?
No. Me, I'd prefer like you. Thin is better.
Yes.
Like slim is better because like you're active. You're like you can like, especially as a content creator with the profession that you've chosen, the career that you've chosen.
Yes.
If you're heavy, like me for example,
Even
to be
it's a
very hard.
problem, flights. Yes. So they might charge you per white.
No.
You don't know. You're traveling. You don't know. They tell you like this flight
You're
only takes a maximum of 150 per person, and maybe you are 140. You have your bag, so it's either you leave your bag or you go, or the bag go and you take another.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So that's like sometimes it's you know, but on the other way, it's an African way.
Like Africans,
They usually know a person who has a big stomach. Maybe he's wealthier, he's healthy,
and he's rich.
He's rich.
Like he's well.
See, yeah, you know, every single day, guys, this channel is to educate, to inform, and also to entertain. Like my grandma here, she's always upset when she's telling that I saw you started developing a stomach, but nowadays there's no stomach. But with me, I usually work out. Bibi, unajuaga zoezi? Unajua zoezi?
Mazoezi. Ya ile
ya kukimbia, press up, mateke juu chini.
Sasa nitafanya itatomoka.
Itafanya nini? Itaruka. Itafanya you say once you throw this way to. Sasa bibi nataka mwili wangu uwe hivi.
Hapana. Nataka iwe
kubwa.
Smart.
But my body is smart, bibi.
Smart iko wapi? Angalia kama mkono kanakuwa kama kanjerini.
Why is it that my grandma is complaining about my body, but me, I'm seeing my body size is enough. I want to grow bigger than this. Like this is okay. It gives me that posture to run like my dad. Mbona ukomplaini mzee? Mbona mzee mwili wake uko vile?
Mzee gani anakunywa mapombe mengi na haribika?
My grandma knows filter.
Alikuja akawacha mlango wazi na mimi niko humu. Kiza ilikuwa majitu haya yenu ilipotea.
Umeme. My grandma doesn't have filters. She's telling me.
Sasa mama yake alitoka huko akakuta mlango iko wazi ni nani, akaingia ganda akakuta analala.
Amelala.
Hata mtu amchinje na kisa.
Alright guys, those are the news that are updated from the village with my grandma over here. Sasa baby, watakuwa uimbie kale kawimbo kazuri. Haidoma ile muyale, haidoma wapikile nazo. Look how happy she is.
Haidoma mwana wito wafikire ngazo.
Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma
sitani kimolo.
Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma
iye wito kaniki minadi.
Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma
iye wito wafikire ngazo.
Haidoma iye mulale, haidoma. Haya bibi, asante. Tell them guys subscribe, like, subscribe.
It's a life.
She says subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
I know.
I know.
I don't know English. I stop. I'm going and tomorrow.
Hebu sema ya English, rudia.
English stop. Ya Haman ya nianza namna gani?
I don't know
English stop. No, again and tomorrow going Migori au Kakamega.
At least nowadays she can construct a sentence.
Yeah, that's true. She's doing better.
I don't know English, I stop, and tomorrow I'm going Migori or Kakamega. So now I can now say I can speak English. I can speak to you. I can say hi to you.
Yeah.
I can say
Say
hi
hi
to you.
to you.
I love you guys.
I love you, the guy.
I love you guys.
I love you, guy.
You good.
You good.
Wishing you.
You.
Say wishing you.
Wishing you.
Happy.
Happy.
Merry.
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
And
Happy.
New Year.
New Year.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy. Yuko hapa.
Ile ingine.
Anakuja, ameenda kufanya video, anakuja. Okay guys, thank you so much. Be blessed always and be blessed. Thank you all guys. Be blessed. And there's my dad feeling some chicken over there. And guys, I love you all. Be blessed. May Almighty God bless you abundantly. And some last regards, Minhawi.
Guys, thank you so much for your subscriptions and your support and your, I don't know, everything that you do for us. We're so grateful. May God keep on blessing you. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 10,000 subscribers.
What's your plan for this Christmas and Happy New Year?
I think we're going to have like a big, like, are we roasting goat?
Sometimes I think so, because I want to welcome some more content creators we can celebrate together.
Together, those ones who are here who don't have to go back home.
Yes.
Okay, I think that would be amazing. Are we doing it here or the other side?
This side.
This side?
Yeah, because this home, you know, the other one is very tiny.
Yeah.
So here we have big
I think that would be amazing. So come over to this place and shoot content here.
Yeah.
And also celebrate here together.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see what's going on around. Guys, what is it now, guys? I was to end the video and my grandma is complaining.
Ndio, asante, nashukuru kwa Mwenyezi Mungu. Asante sana, Mungu awaweke vizuri. Sasa wabu.
My grandma is complaining that I don't have a wife in this house. So I have a good wife and that way.
She was asking that. Yeah, guys, I think it
was my grandma complaining?
Yeah,
yesterday?
I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, that was the same question she was asking Jacob.
What about you yesterday?
Yesterday she said she was telling me this might be my sons. I love them very much, but they are all prostitutes. They keep coming different women each and every day. Yes. I don't like it. They are prostitutes. Like prostitutes, she confuses that with like what like Claude or Mogeni they come here with different like girls, content creators. Yeah. So she thinks that they are maybe dating. Yeah. So she feels like
they come, they go.
And they come, they go. So she gets, I think, disappointed.
Yeah.
Now he was calling the grandsons prostitutes.
Yeah. But like for Jacob, she was asking him, when are you going to marry? You are getting old.
And what was the response for Jacob? He was like, you leave me alone. You leave me alone. You leave me alone.
I have my own plans.
But it's good actually for her to get concerned for it. Yeah. But Bibi, tutakuletea mwanamke very soon, sawa?
Mimi nataka mwanamke hata sahi.
Sasa sahi.
Hata tukae naye hapo tunacheka naye, tunafurahi. Sasa
unakuja unafika unaenda.
Sasa nyumba ile nitaongea na nani? Nitaongea lenyewe.
Wewe Mungu Baba. She's complaining that we constructed the house.
Kwa sababu hakuna mwanamke. Unafika tu ukawacha mbuzi kala mahindi, sasa saitumbo iko.
Guys, let me ask you guys, please comment this down below. I'm surprised, but let me not get emotional. Please end this video here by saying thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support, and I will end this video by saying thank you and blessed. Bye.